Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can add your Cash App card as a payment method on TikTok for the TikTok shop. So let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, I'm using this article by Wise since I do not have access to Cash App in my region, so I don't have the ability to explain to you guys by doing it. I am really sorry and I hope you guys can understand. This is the best I can do. But without further ado, let me explain how to do it right now. Now, you do have your Cash App card, which is pretty much a Visa debit card, which you can add as a payment method on TikTok. Now, to access your card information, you can either use the physical card that you have gotten through actually getting it delivered to you once you apply for the card on Cash App, or you can use the app version by going to the app, clicking on the second icon from the bottom left, which is the card icon, and then tap the eye icon in the top right of the card to unblur or uncover the numbers that you need. You'll get your 16-digit number for your card, you'll get the 3-digit CVV and the expiration date, and then you'll need to use those to add the payment method. Then you just need to go into your TikTok profile, click on your orders, tap payments, and add a new payment method, and you just need to use the information that you've gotten from the Cash App card, and that is pretty much it. Now, if you want to change the payment method, if you already have one set up, go to your profile, again, go to your orders, tap on payments, click the payment method you wish to choose, and then select as primary if you want your Cash App to be your primary method of payment. And pretty much that is all there is to it. I really hope you guys enjoyed, and I'm sorry I couldn't show you guys specifically, but it is what it is, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.